NOKIA 6500 Classic. Disassembly. You will need the NOKIA Standard Toolkit version 2. Also refer to the General Mechanical Guideline video for additional hints about the tools and component handling. Always cover all sensitive surfaces with a protective film. Slide the B cover in the shown direction and remove it. Remove the battery if inserted. Unlock the clips of the top cover assembly on both sides with the SRT6. Remove the top cover and discard it. To remove the camera window, first remove the frame with the dental pick and discard it. Then remove the window with the SRT6 and discard it, too. Make sure that no adhesive remains. Carefully pull out the A cover. Remove the K-mate. Release the LCD frame with the SS42. Place the SS42 between the LCD frame and the C cover. Gently lever out the LCD frame. Open the clip on the top with the dental pick. Now, continue on the other side of the LCD frame. Place the LCD frame and the LCD module on the UI interface. Undo the 5 screws in the order shown and remove them. Take special care to the electric components on the AV Flex. Hold the assembly as shown, and very carefully separate the display backplate from the AV Flex. Disconnect the LCD module from the PWB. Gently lift the USB brace. Take care to the surrounding components. Open the AV Flex connector and remove the AV Flex assembly. Remove the BT antenna. Carefully open the coax connector with tweezers. Open the UI Flex connector. Lift the PWB on the shown side, paying attention to the flex contacts of the vibra. Remove the light swap PWB. Unlock and remove the coax clamp. Unlock the clip of the antenna assembly. Do the same at the other side and remove the antenna assembly. Remove the vibra and ensure that no adhesive remains. Slightly push on the flashboard assembly to release the adhesive. Discard the flashboard assembly and also ensure that no adhesive remains. Carefully remove the IHF speaker. Remove the IHF speaker adhesive from the C cover. Remove the UI Flex and discard it. Unlock and remove the antenna grounding. The disassembly procedure is now finished.